friends, and welcome to Little Woods Art. Today I'd like to show you how to draw this cute manatee. So let's get started. The first thing we'll do is draw a large oval shape. This is a front view of the manatee. As you notice, one part is a little bit more narrow. That's where the tail is going to go. Okay. Next we're going to draw in his muzzle. And I'm going to put this one right next to it so we can kind of have a see of how it's going to look. We'll go up to the middle of the top and you're going to draw kind of an upside down heart shape. Now notice I left some parts of the line disconnected. That will give more of the illusion of a muzzle instead of just a shape. And then we'll add a little chin at the bottom. Now their eyes are kind of sad. So to make a sad eye, we're going to draw a curved line down like that. And then inside we'll draw a circle and then add another little circle. That's going to be the reflected white light. Okay, and then when you color, you're going to color everything very dark. Oh, it's so cute when you get the eyes colored. Except you're going to leave that little bit of white light. Good. And their nostril is just two curved lines in. And they have a lot of whiskers, but I decided not to draw those in. But you want to draw some whisker spots. And to show the illusion of the head being a little different than the body, add a few lines to the side because they're kind of chubby. Next they have the two flippers. So what you're going to do is come over to this side and it's kind of like a big U shape. Gets narrower at the top. Add a couple wrinkle lines to show dimension. And then this one is coming off from the body and it's a little bit bigger because it's coming towards us. Kind of another U shape with some lines. Good, we're almost done. Now we just need the back or the bottom fin. So the bottom fin is another upside down kind of a heart shape. So bend it in a little bit and then pull it around. Good. Now the next step is you can add water up here or seaweed or however you want to decorate it. I'm going to color this one with some crayons and we'll see how he turns out. And there you have it, two cute little manatees. As you can see, this one was outlined with marker and has a little bit of marker on it, and this one is just done with crayon. I hope you had fun today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, Little Woods Art, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.